Technology-driven solutions are powering Mahanadi Coalfields Limited's journey towards smarter, safer mining. This is hydraulic excavator, a powerful heavy earth moving machinery (HEMM) that forms the backbone of large-scale coal mining operations. Engineered for continuous heavy-duty operations, this high-capacity machine combines advanced hydraulics, superior fuel efficiency, and powerful performance to deliver unmatched productivity. Working 24/7 in coal mines, hydraulic excavators play a crucial role in stripping overburden, loading coal efficiently, and accelerating large-scale production. Bigger machines, smarter mining, powering India's energy future.